Whew, this looks a lot. This is all the hair that came out. The best thing is to be patient with your hair. And now wash day is down to like 30 minutes. Hi guys, Sharon here. Welcome back to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe. Don't watch and leave, guys. If you're watching me as usual, thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, and share this video as well. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how I detangle before wash day. Most people think wash days are like really long, where you have to spend so much time on your hair, and obviously sometimes it is, right? But then when you're able to detangle before you go in there, it's actually quite easy. It's not so much work. As you can see, there is so much dandruff in my hair, so I'm definitely due for a wash. So I'm just going to be this looks a lot. So I'm just going to be detangling my hair, and I'm going to be taking you through how I do that and do it the right way. What you're going to be needing to detangle is, of course, your water. Very important. Don't try to detangle your hair when it's dry. Don't do it, because you're going to tear a lot of your hair. Not recommended. Okay, so use a lot of water, and then you can use any pre-poo you have. So I'm going to be using my Magda Forte 2-in-1 mask. So this is going to help me to get all those knots out. Okay, if you have any other pre-poo, you can use that. Okay, so nothing too heavy, so just water and your pre-poo. Now that we have everything, we can get into the video. Okay, so what you're going to do is to want to section your hairs into the smallest of bits. You don't want to detangle all this at a go, or else you're going to see a lot of breakage. Okay, what you want to do is to, well, I have already parted this, so you could just section into another two. So you can just put this away and work from the back. So as you can see, this is also quite a lot, so I'm going to narrow this down to another two sections. I think we are good to go now, so this should work fine. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go in with your water. The wetter the better. Okay. So don't be afraid to get yourself wet. It just makes it easier to comb when your hair is wet. Okay, I know people will say you could obviously do this in the shower, but trust me, this really helps, you know, to cut down that wash day time. So I'm going to go in now with my mask. So on your scalp first, and then you massage all the way down. You can use any pre-poo of your choice to do this. Okay, so now what you want to do is to finger detangle first. So you want to run your fingers through this first, even before you get your brush, your comb, or whatever you're going to use. So just try to finger detangle first and gently. Okay, and from finger detangling, I can already see a few of my hairs coming out. I don't know if you could see, but yeah. So I usually use my big comb first to just slowly brush out, then a smaller comb, and look how easy it is to run through, guys. I don't know if you can see, but this is all the hair that came out. This tiny little thing. Yeah, so that's that. After, you could just twist. Guys, after you've done this, you'd realize when you go in for a wash and you use your conditioner, your brush literally just runs through your hair, so you don't need to spend so much time detangling. So that's it. First batch successfully detangled. So we're going to move on to the second one. So you're literally going to be repeating this across. Go in with your pre-poo mask, whatever that you're using. If you're like me and you don't like spending so much time in the shower, then you would want to detangle before you get in there. So you're going to want to start combing from below and then work your way up. Don't work from top to bottom, from bottom to top. Literally cutting wash time into at least half. I usually do wash days at least once a week. I'm going to get braids installed soon, so I have to do this. So first, finger detangle. And then with the small one, you work your way up. Literally using my nephew's comb because it works so well. You know how soft baby hairs are, so that's literally how soft my hair is. Detangling is done. And go ahead and twist. You realize it's actually not a daunting task. Honestly, it really isn't. You just need to be patient with it, and if you're growing your hair and you really want to see results, the best thing is to be patient with your hair. So finger detangle first. the hair that came out from this section alone. So guys, it works. All you're going to do is to repeat everything you did here onto the section. We're finally at the end. That's a wrap, guys. So I am done with this side as well, as you can see. So I am finally ready for wash. This is literally all the hair that came out, and this is quite normal. So that's it, guys. Obviously you're going to see a few in the shower, but not as much. So that's it. It really helps. And now wash day is down to like 30 minutes. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more content like this, kindly subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next on my channel, and obviously I will bring it to you as well. And let me know if this was helpful. Okay, you can follow me on TikTok as well at Sharon's Crown. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.